Hi, in this series we will go as per our workbook which is given by NISM. The link of the workbook will be given in the description. As per the workbook, there are total 10 chapters which we have to cover. So the first chapter is basics of derivatives. Here we will study about what are derivatives and how they are derived, and some more information about the derivatives. The second chapter would be understanding the index. In this chapter we will learn what is index, how it is built, what are its components, and how index is basically built out of multiple stocks. In the third chapter we will learn about futures and forwards. Basically futures and forwards, they are the derivatives. In chapter 4 we will learn what are options. In next chapter, in chapter 5, we will learn what are option trading strategies. That means once we got to know what is index, what are futures and forwards, what are options, then we will learn how we can make strategies using options. Next 6 to 10 chapter, they are more of theoretical chapters. For 1 to 5 chapter, they were more of practical chapters. Because in the earlier 1 to 5 you will get to know the practical knowledge, what are different entities, futures and options, and how you can work with futures and options, right? In this in 6 to 10 chapters, this is more of theoretical, because you will get to know what are the multiple entities associated and how they work. So when we talk about introduction to chapter 6 is introduction to trading system. In this system, what we talk about, what is the trading system, what is the stock criteria of trading, what is the stock selection criteria of trading, adjustments, and some other topic. In chapter 7 about introduction to clearing and settlement process, we see what are clearing members, what are clearing mechanism, settlement mechanism, and risk management. In chapter 8, that is legal and regulatory environment, we will see what are security contracts, security and SAB, about Security and Exchange Board of India. We see regulation, we will learn about regulation in trading, regulation in clearing and settlement. In chapter 9, that is accounting and taxation, we will see how we do accounting and what is the tax liability on every transaction. In the chapter 10, we will see what is the understanding of client, risk profile of a particular client, investor grievance systems.